So on this invoicing screen, Stripe provide a really great example of how to treat empty states. A lot of times when new users are taking a trial, they have the issue of not having a lot of data in their account. So they come across these empty screens. And the best thing to do is explain the feature and provide a call to action to get started. So here we have the call to action to create your first invoice. So this is just a really nice screen, and you have a bit of an explanation and a walkthrough of adding your customer, putting your items in, a memo for your invoice, and at the same time you have a really nice preview that updates on the fly as the user is creating and preparing to send their first invoice. So I think they do a great job on this. Even though Stripe are predominantly for subscription payments, I think that's a really great feature worth noting. And another thing that I really like is the developer section here. So API keys, webhooks and events, and just a nice dashboard for integrations. I think this is a really neat feature because it's quite common that developers have to integrate Stripe with payment systems for their tools and products. So a good example of a developer account here as well.